Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, November 15th. I'm Marv Eisen, and today I want to talk about how to set up your chart. Now, I have a chart of the S&P Emini in front of me, and this is a 3-minute candle, and this is the way my chart is set up for the day. And right now, it's a little after 8 o'clock, about an hour, 20 minutes before market open. And here's my chart setup for the day. And I want to explain what I have here. First of all, I have a horizontal line here. And by the way, this chart is for one day. I have a horizontal line here representing the close of the last session. And that's the close of the last Emini as of the close of the regular session, not the overnight session, the regular session. Then I have a square, actually it's a rectangle, marked out on the chart with a support at the bottom and resistance at the top. And this is a trading zone, And this trading zone is based on Taylor's book method numbers. Now, Taylor's book method numbers are basically nothing more than calculations based on the averages of past market movement, highs, lows, and range. So when we look at a chart, when we look at a price chart, we want to see the prices, but compare them to where they've been. Of course, we want to know where they're going, but history is where we start to see where things could go for the future. So we always want to look at where things have been. So we take the averages according to Taylor's book method, and we mark that out on our chart. And these are the numbers that I developed for today, Monday, November 15th. And by the way, I send these numbers to the students enrolled in my Emini trading course. I send these numbers to them each night before the market opens for the following day so that they can set up their chart. And finally, I have a candle here. I have a candle. Now, this candle represents the market action on the previous trading session. The previous trading session of the S&P Emini, not the S&P, the S&P Emini. And this is the price action for the previous day, where the open and the close, I've indicated the open and close, and the high and the low. And this is how my chart is set up for the day. This is not a fortune-telling scheme where you know where prices are going to go, where I know. Nobody knows where prices are going to go, but it's a good starting point to see numbers of where the market is coming from. Anyway, so that's my recommendation on how to set up your chart. Again, if you want to get these trading zone numbers each day, enroll in my Emini trading course at timelessdollar.com. You'll get these numbers. You get a money-back guarantee when you enroll, and it's not an expensive course. And you'll be a better trader for it, and certainly a more knowledgeable trader. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar signing off Monday, November 15th. Trade safely, exercise a lot of patience, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.